everybody, this is Andrew Johnson again. Today we're going to be fixing a toilet. Basically the handle on the toilet broke today, and like I say, I had to go get another one. And one of the most important things about finding a handle for a toilet is take the one that's broken and match it up perfectly with the universal type. So I'll show that to you in just a second. Right now, let me show you the actual handle that broke, the new one that we purchased, and kind of get this repair taken care of. Here's the handle that was broken. As you can see, this piece actually separated, and it's quite a nice handle. This is actually a metal handle, believe it or not. It's actually metal and chrome. It's quite nice, but over a period of time, these handles get weathered inside the tanks, and they do tend to break. This is a new Corky type handle that is a universal fit. It has small clips in it. It's kind of cool. It's got clips that actually clip into this little area here to hold that area, and also clips that actually clip into the top of this that hold this area for an adjustment. You can actually take these pieces off. First thing we're going to do is remove this piece, separate it from that one so we can install this piece in that hole. So what you got to do is basically unscrew this piece. It actually unscrews counterclockwise. See that? So we're going to do that, separate these pieces. See, this actually comes apart. You actually put this back in the hole, get it to where it's adjusted properly and level. And then once it's level, you actually screw that nut back on as well. Just take this nut, and it screws on counterclockwise, just like that. All you do is just tighten it up, get that nice and snug. Get that nice and snug so we can actually install the next piece. By the way, this clip, when it's in properly, will be completely flush with the top of this other piece, this black piece here. So that first piece is done. Now let's put the clip into this smaller arm here, where the clip is installed in the arm, and it should be perfectly flush as well in just 1 second. This is the way it's supposed to look when it's completely installed properly. So there's the arm, it's ready to go. The chain is at the bottom of the tank, so we're gonna have to reach in there and put the chain onto the end of the arm right here, and it's got holes in the end of the arm, as you can see, for it to actually just snap in. As you can see, I had to reach down into the tank to get the chain and the clip, and what I did is I removed the clip off of the chain. And that way you can fully adjust it in reference to the length you need to attach it to this actual armature here. I have the clip on the arm is installed properly, and you want that chain to be a little bit taut. You want it to be close to being a little bit tight. You'll have to just kind of measure it from the top down to the bottom before you clip this through the little hole at the very end. And then once you flush it, and stay up, and it should flush properly. It looks like it's working perfectly, by the way. The clapper goes down, the tank fill device is actually working properly, and the water level should come right back up. And so that is a complete installation on that piece, the flush handle for this tank. Next step is just to put the tank lid back on. Take your towel, wipe up everything, make it look nice and neat, and that is a complete installation. This toilet is ready to go.